spot at the moment, isn't it? Don't go away. You sound don't go away. You're a madman. No?
You choose Supersonic!
I've got to dedicate this next song to my good friend Eddie Jordan. I need to be myself. I can't be no one